Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lifelong Learning with Maya. Today we are going to see the topic that write each decimal as fractions. So we have to convert the decimal numbers into the fractions. Now I hope you know what are fractions. Fractions are the numbers which are written in the form of a upon b, like some number upon the other number. So let us see how we can do that. For example, we will take the first question as 0.03. Okay, so this is the decimal number and we have to convert it into fractions. Now first of all, we will see how much decimal places are they. They are two decimal places, that is after decimal there are two digits, right? So therefore it is called as two decimal places. So here in this case, how we can convert into fraction? So we will just write what is the number here is 3 and rest is all 0. Before 3 it is 0, so we don't need to write 00 before that. So just 3, and how much decimal places are they? They are two decimal places, so we can just write upon 100. Because of the two decimal places, it is 3 upon 100. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now in the same way we can do any. For example, it is second one is maybe 0.49. So again here it is two decimal places, we can just write 49 upon 100. I hope this is clear because it is just two decimal places, so we have to just write the numbers, that is 49 upon 100. Okay, and this will be further, it means the same. 0.49 means the same 49 upon 100. They are equivalent, they are equal, right? Now if we have something like this, maybe 4.04. okay, now this is 4.04, but here again the decimal places is just 2, isn't it? So what it will be there, we just have to write 404 upon, because it is just two decimal places, so it will be again 100. I hope this is clear. Okay, so we just have to see how much decimal places it is. Whatever, irrespective of whatever number we have before the decimal, we have to just write everything all together, and number of decimal, like after decimal number of digit, we have to put that much 0. Okay, now let us see 10.013. okay, now here we can see in this fourth example 10.013, this is 3 decimal places. So how we will convert this into a fraction? We have to just write 10 and it will be 013 upon, now again after decimal 3 places, so 3 zeros. Okay, so this will be something like this. This fraction will be something like this. I hope this is clear to all of you, isn't it? If you have any doubts in this to convert the decimals into the fractions, please let me know. In the same way, we can convert the fractions again into the decimals. Whatever fraction is given to us, we can convert it into decimal if it is like this. If it has 100, 10,000, something like that in the denominator, we can easily convert it into the decimal numbers, isn't it? We will see some more examples of the same. Yes friends, so let us continue with the questions where we are seeing write each fractions as decimal. Now we have to convert all these fractions into the decimal number. So let us see how we are going to do. Now by seeing this number on the top here, we can see this is only one digit and we have 1 0 in the denominator, right? So it is just 3 upon 10. So what we can do here is, because it is just 1 0, so we have to just place one decimal, like it will be just one decimal number. So how it will be written as 0.3. okay, so 1 0 means it will be just 1 3, just there will be just one decimal number over here, like it will be just one decimal place. Okay, now in the second example we have two zeros and on the top there are two digits also. So how it will look like, something like this, like we will just write 64. If you have any confusion, just write 64 and then you can see two zeros, so 1 and 2, and here it will be the decimal. You can add 1 0 before the decimal. 0.64, it means 0.64, it is the same, right? Now here we can see it is two digits and here it is three zeros in the denominator, so it will be 3 decimal places. The number will be 3 decimal places, but there is only 2 digits in the numerator. How we can manage that? Let us see what we are going to do, we will just write 98, and because it is 30, so it should be 3 decimal places. So 1, 2 and 1 we will put here 0, and then here it will be the decimal, that will be 0.098. Okay, because here it is 30, so it should be 3 decimal places. Now because it is just 2 digit here on the numerator, so to balance it we have to put 1 0 before that to make it equal, like with the equal to this fraction we have to make equal to this decimal number as equal to the fraction, so it should be 0.098. Okay, now here we can see there is just 1 digit on the numerator and 3 decimal places, like it is 3 zeros, that means it should be 3 decimal number, it should be 3 decimal number, right? It should have. So what we are going to do here is we will just write 5, and to balance it we will put 2 zeros and then a decimal. So now this has become 3 decimal place, and we can also add a 0 here in the beginning, so it will be 0.005. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, that 5 upon 1000, because it is 3 decimal places, 3 zeros, so we have to write as 0.005. I hope this is clear to you. Let us do one more example for 349 upon 100, maybe this much. So here see there is 3 digit on the numerator and 3 zeros in the denominator, so it will be again 3 decimal places, so this become very easy, 0.349. I just want to add a bonus question over here, one more extra question I just wanted to show you that example also. Like if it is something like this, maybe 149 upon, and maybe like here it is 3 decimal places and in the denominator there is 4 zeros. So what will happen? So because it is 4 zeros, what will happen? 149 as it is, and we will put 1 0 here, and it will be like this, right? So this will be this decimal number. But sometimes if it happens like this, that in the numerator it is something like this, 256 upon, maybe it is just 10. Okay, it is 256 upon 10. So what happens here, because it is just 1 0, so it will be just one decimal place. So what will happen, it will be like 256, and it will be just one decimal place, so it will be something like this, 25.6. Okay, so even this type of question can also be there, not necessary every time it will be 0 point, a 0 point only. It can be something like this also, if the number is larger in the numerator and there is 1 0 only, that is just one decimal place or 2 decimal place, so we have to put the decimal accordingly. Okay, according to that. I hope this is clear to you. You can just go through this example again and try to understand. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. I hope you liked this video and you have understood about this topic. If you have any question, please ask me, and also suggest me the topics, whatever you want to learn or whatever your kids want to learn. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks. Bye. See you soon.